Welcome to Simple English Learning Process. Animal's name. American three-toed woodpecker. Ladder-backed woodpecker. Levy's woodpecker. Northern flicker. Nuttall's woodpecker. Imagine a bird that hits its head on hardwood thousands of times every day, but never gets a headache or brain damage. A bird that makes its own home inside trees, finds food under bark, and even drums on wood to talk. This is not a story from a book. This is real. This is the woodpecker. Woodpeckers are some of the most amazing birds in the world. They live almost everywhere except in Australia, New Zealand, and Madagascar. Over millions of years, they have developed special features that help them survive. In this video, we will explore the life of woodpeckers, their body, their food, their sounds, their nests, and why they are so important for nature. By the end, you will see that woodpeckers are not just tree-hammering birds. They are real engineers of the forest. Their skull is very strong, with soft bones inside that absorb shock. A special bone called the hyoid wraps around the skull like a seat belt. It protects the brain. The beak is sharp and shaped like a chisel, perfect for drilling into wood. Their tongue is very long, almost 3 times longer than the beak. It has sticky saliva and hooks to catch insects. Small feathers cover their nose to block wood dust. Think about it. If a human hit their head on a tree 20 times, they would go to the hospital. A woodpecker does this 20,000 times a day and keeps going. Woodpeckers eat insects, ant, beetles and larvae that hide under bark. Some drink tree sap. Others break into dead wood to find termites. Their drumming is not random. It helps them find hollow spots where food might be hiding. In simple words, a woodpecker's beak is both a hammer and a listening tool. Woodpeckers do not sing like other birds. They drum on wood. Each species has its own drumming style. Drumming is a way to attract a partner and to defend territory. Some even drum on metal poles or roofs to make the sound louder. Both male and female woodpeckers drum to talk. During mating, they do drumming duets. They make round holes in trees to build nests. These holes are later used by owls, bats, squirrels, and many other animals. One woodpecker can give homes to many creatures of the forest. Here's something to think about. What if I told you that without woodpeckers many forests would fail? It sounds hard to believe. But stay with me, because the more you learn, the more you'll see that woodpeckers are builders of nature. Stay with us. More amazing woodpecker facts are coming next. Their empty nests become homes for many species. They control insect numbers by eating them. Their pecking helps dead trees break down faster. Scientists call them a keystone species. In North America, more than 35 animal species depend on old woodpecker holes. There are over 240 species of woodpeckers. The pileated woodpecker is very large, almost the size of a crow. The downy woodpecker is the smallest in North America. The acorn woodpecker stores thousands of acorns in trees. Each type has its own way of surviving in forests, deserts, or cold areas. Farmers once thought woodpeckers were pests, but they actually protect trees by eating insects. In stories and legends, woodpeckers are often symbols of persistence and hard work. Native American stories call them forest drummers. They even inspired the famous cartoon character Woody Woodpecker. One big mystery: how do woodpeckers avoid brain injury? Some studies show that special proteins protect their brain cells. This research might help humans understand concussions better in the future. So the next time you hear a fast drumming sound in the woods, remember, it's not just noise. It's a language. It's a way of building. It's survival. The woodpecker is a bird that shows us the meaning of strength, patience, and design. They are not just hammering birds. They are nature's true architects. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of woodpeckers, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And tell us in the comments, what did you find most amazing? Their strong skull, their drumming, or their role as forest builders? Pileated woodpecker, red-bellied woodpecker, red-breasted sapsucker, red-cockaded woodpecker, red-headed woodpecker, yellow-bellied sapsucker, Arizona woodpecker, red-naped sapsucker, white-headed woodpecker, Eurasian wryneck, imperial woodpecker, red-shafted flicker, black-backed woodpecker, downy woodpecker, Gila woodpecker, gilded flicker, golden-fronted woodpecker, hairy woodpecker, ivory-billed woodpecker, Ivory-billed woodpecker. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click a bell icon.